Oh my god, I'm seeing Kevin for the first time. This is so great. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Kevin's so big. Okay, bye Kevin. Hi everyone, it's Danica and I'm here with my friend Derek. And we're here at Animal Kingdom to check out all the new Christmas stuff that they have this year because they've never done this stuff before and apparently they've added a lot.
Yeah, that's what they've been saying. They have a lot of animals out here and stuff like that.
In Discovery Island, at the front, like right in front of the Tree of Life.
Yep.
And we also saw Kevin come out, and then we chased Kevin down.
Yep.
And that was fun.
It's very easy to spot. You can see her from Discovery Island and Island.
Yeah, it was kind of funny. She did her reel. But yeah, so we're gonna try to show you what we can with the Christmas stuff. Right. So right here, like when you first come in on all the buildings in Discovery Island, they have the prettiest like little Christmas decorations. It's like all over the buildings. And I really like these little like Christmassy animal decorations that they have. Super cute. Like little lanterns. Look at all the little cute little animals they have here in the decorations. It's like a bear that's hidden. So where you can meet Doug and Russell, they each have their own Christmas tree, and the cone of shame is on Doug's Christmas tree. That is so funny. That is so funny. Awesome. It's a little bouncing penguin. Oh look, there's more penguins down there. Hi. Bye now. Bye, penguins. Penguin looks so happy. It's a little seal.
Yeah, maybe because it's white. I want to frown. I think it's a no.
Look how pretty he is.
Hi. bottle caps? Oh yeah, they are. This is on the bridge toward Africa from Discovery Island. I like how every Christmas decoration in Harambe or whatever is just like a totally different thing. Like this one's a tire. The other one was bottle caps. And then what's this one over here?
This is the wheel to the tire.
Okay. Another one. Alright, so now we're about to go into Rafiki's Planet Watch and take a train over to do an animation class, right? Don't know anything about it, but we made Fast Pass for it because it was available. So we're gonna do it. Okay, so we are now on the train to go to Rafiki's Planet Watch, and it was closed down for a while, and like I thought there was like rumors of it like opening back up to be like Zootopia.
I heard about that too, yeah,
But
honestly.
I guess not. I guess now it's for an animation class. I don't know. Is there anything else over there?
Might be animals. I know they used to have some sort of like, more like the nurturing stuff where they show you where they like the feeding and stuff like that. But I don't know if they're
We'll find out.
He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy, from animation to conservation, to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day.
What is it?
As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in computer animation, this tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world to observe animals in their own surroundings. That includes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
An elephant?
Yep.
Oh, I don't know if I can zoom in and get that or not. There he is. Or she.
We are
Cute little elephant.
observation station.
And we made it. Are you excited? He looks so excited. Rafiki! You can make a difference. Wildlife needs our help. It does. What's this one say? Get involved. Please. Recycle. Do really basic things that are super easy. Hi.
Welcome.
Another Rafiki.
Okay.
Leading the way. Ooh. This is pretty. Oh wait, look. What is that? How cute. Hi, cutie. Oh my gosh. So cute. So if you go to the left of the building, it's where we are going for the animation experience. Does it look like... Oh wait, no, you can pet the animals.
Yeah, I forgot they had a petting zoo here. That was the other thing.
Yeah, there's like one way over there. And here are the show times for the animation experience for anyone who's wondering. Here to help plan your day a little better. Alright, let's go inside. Looks like today we are drawing Bruce. So this isn't what I expected it to be. I thought they did this major refurb or whatever, but it's the same building. They just added a bunch of chairs and we hold this in our lap. Yeah, TV screens. I remember when it was at Hollywood Studios, it was like an actual like class setup and it was really cool.
Yeah.
Like you had like a desk and everything.
Yeah.
So, you can't draw circles?
No, I cannot draw circles.
Apparently no one else can because, let me pick this up. They did it for us.
It's true. They're not like these here.
And I'll never know how good I truly am. I'm probably still gonna do really bad. Like, let's be honest. It's gonna be really bad.
I'm very bad at this. It's actually one of my things that I really hate about myself.
Since the 1930s, Disney animators have put their pencils to paper in service of the idea that the greatest inspiration often comes from the magic of nature. Walt Disney himself understood the importance of spending time around animals, studying their behavior and personalities in order to create realistic characters and dynamic storylines.
How many of you have never been to our animation experience before? All right, a lot of you, very cool. Well, we are going to get started here in just a little bit. We are going to put you through a session very similar to some of the training that animators actually go through in their day-to-day world. And so we're going to put you into the shoes of a Disney animator and see what it's like to be one of them.
Meet Sarge, an epaulet shark. You heard us right, Sarge is a shark. While many people hear the word shark and think of a powerful predator of the high seas, not many imagine smaller breeds like Sarge. That's right, epaulet sharks are unique because they can walk using their 4 fins. There are many species of sharks to see when visiting the seas with Nemo and friends at Epcot. Gilligan, a sand tiger, is much, much larger than Sarge, which makes it easier for us to see his many rows of teeth.
Stretched out letter N, right in between the eyebrows. Just nice and light.
I'm not sure, Slick.
Shape in there.
Or keys.
That takes care of the eyes. Now let's work on the side of his face. Because we're going to give him some cute little chubby cheeks. A bigger version of his dimple. So I'm going to start, right in line with the middle of his eye. It's a good starting spot there. And around his dimple.
For joining us in the animation experience at Conservation Station. Please gather your personal belongings before exiting, leaving your clipboard.
This is mine. What does yours look like?
And remember to take your artwork.
Beautiful.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your visit.
Oh, I didn't sign mine. I have really bad, ugly handwriting. Really bad handwriting.
Goodbye.
Yay! Here's my name. Did it. Right, how do you feel about your drawing?
Better than I expected. I thought I was going to fall really bad. You should see some of my past work. It's not very good. So I was actually pretty impressed by this one. I think it helped that I didn't have to do too many circles. Honestly.
I'm proud with mine too.
Yeah?
I think mine came out better than expected as well. Yeah. Look at theirs. So I just want to point out when you go into Donald's Dino Bash at the entrance, so there's like this big like skeleton of a dinosaur, right? And it's covered in Christmas lights and they're changing colors. But look at that! Look at the top, he's a Santa. That is so funny. I love that. Alright. So at Donald's Dino Bash, you can meet all of his friends and basically all the characters in scarves. And like their little meet and greets are decorated, like super cute with like Christmas lights and trees and stuff. So this one's my favorite for obvious reasons. Look how pink and pretty! Like even that tree has a bunch of pink lights in it. Like this is great. I love it. Oh yes, Daisy, twirl, girl. I feel like how Daisy looks right now. That's literally how I feel. Aw. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, even the little dinosaur has a pink scarf. Too cute. I love it. Daisy is so excited. Feels. Look at this giant snowman. Right where you can meet Donald. That's a really big snowman. The only time you'll ever see a snowman in Florida. Hi, Launchpad! I see that you've decorated for Christmas. Nice. Christmas tree's a little tall though. So, but you're really tall, so. Yeah.
He measured it himself. You think he did a good job?
How tall is
I think
it?
it's perfect, right?
How tall is it?
I don't know.
Like 20 feet.
A lot of feet. A lot of feet.
So wait, Scrooge got you a present? What do you think he got? You got you two?
And then he wrapped the one himself to Scrooge right there. You guys like his wrapping paper?
Yeah.
So as we're walking toward Pandora, we see this, and this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. It has all the animals that we were meeting earlier. So pretty. Oh, so for the holiday season, they added 2 new shows for the Tree of Life. So a cast member told us this is the only Christmas thing that they have in Pandora, which I guess kind of makes sense because I guess they don't celebrate Christmas in Pandora.
Yeah, I was gonna say Pandora would be the only place that wouldn't.
So it's correct to the theming. But yeah, this is it. There's a little Santa hat on this robot. I don't know what it's called. It's been years since I've seen the movie.
I honestly can't remember either. I love the movie.
Alright, so I guess that's all we could find for Christmas stuff at Animal Kingdom other than the 2 shows on the Tree of Life that we're missing because we had to leave, unfortunately, before it gets dark. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. I thought there was going to be way more stuff, but
Same.
we still saw, like, there's more. They've never done this before, so at least they tried, at least they decorated. We saw some cute things for the season. But I do just... Oh, go ahead.
I was saying Animal Kingdom's starting to realize that they're getting busier now, so
Yeah.
that's fine with that.
I just wanted to close out the video by, like, showing this beautiful Christmas tree. That's, it's right before you get to the front gate. So, wait. And there's, like, some cute, like, there's, like, an Eeyore right there. It's cute. Yeah. Cute Christmas tree. But alright, guys. Bye!